Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix or get rid the you need permission to do this action in Windows 11. So for example, here I have a file and I want to delete it. I'm going to press delete but it says you need permission to perform this action, right? So the thing we have to do is that we have to right click on this file and then we have to click on show more options. On show more options, you want to go to properties, and on properties, we want to go to security right here. And on security, you want to click on the administrator or on the account you're currently logged in. So right now I'm logged into this account right here, and I'm going to edit the permissions here. And you can see right now it says it denies all of these permissions, right? I don't have full control. I got modified and I can read and execute and all of these things. I'm just going to uncheck all of these. I'm going to click on apply. I'm going to close these out. And then I'm going to click on this image. I'm going to press delete now. And you can see now it's fixed. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.